Thank you for joining us for this short presentation today, brought to you by USDA Mortgage Source. We're our Florida's leading USDA information provider, serving you 7 days a week. During this short video, we're going to talk a little bit about the USDA Home Loan application process and how to get started as far as the pre-approval goes. We get these questions a lot, especially from first-time home buyers that really want more insight on how to begin the process. The application process generally is a 10 to 15 minute process, pretty quick. Really what's going to happen first is the mortgage specialist is going to discuss in detail the eligibility factors for USDA rural housing. Do keep in mind that USDA rural housing is for properties that are physically located in a USDA rural housing defined location. There's also household income restrictions. This depends on the county you're located in, number of people in the household, among other things, number of dependents and things of that nature. So they're going to talk in detail about that, and just be sure first and foremost that that the borrowers and household altogether do meet the requirements that are in place regarding eligibility, and just make sure that the program is the proper fit. Before you begin your application, there's a couple of things that borrowers want to have together, mainly documentation pertaining to income and assets. Regarding income, you want to have your last 2 years most recent W-2s and tax returns for borrowers that are employed. Borrowers that are receiving Social Security or disability income want to have any documentation pertaining to that before they get started. Regarding assets, generally 2 months bank statements will be required, and then also any documentation regarding retirement accounts, 401k, IRA. You want to have those things together before you start the application. Once they begin, really the process again is pretty quick. Most of the information borrowers will know, they'll know by heart. Employment history for the last 2 years, living history for the last 2 years. They'll want to get the addresses and things of that nature, Social Security, date of birth, you know, those type of things. And then also obviously the income and asset figures as well. Once the application is completed, the mortgage specialist will do basically a detailed review of the application and discuss with you at that point the amount that you're pre-approved for. They'll also talk about payments and details with taxes and homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, any other expenses too that are related to the home. Things like homeowners association fees or maybe CDD fees. They'll get into detail about all those things just to be sure that you know exactly, you know, what you're qualified for, and then what you can expect as far as payments and those things go. Once they're completed with that, they'll issue a letter of pre-qualification to you. This is important to have. It basically will demonstrate to any home seller, realtors involved, and things of that nature that you've already been in contact with a mortgage specialist, your credit, all the income and asset documentation, things of that nature have been reviewed in advance. That's very good, and it helps you as far as making an offer. When you do get to the point that you find the perfect home and want to make an offer, it's going to be helpful to have your letter of pre-qualification in advance. For any home borrowers that have questions, please call us at 904-302-6060. Be sure to also visit our website at www.usdamortgagesource.com. On the website, there's a ton of helpful information regarding USDA rural housing loans in Florida. You'll also find on there a link to our blog that has all the latest information available as well. Thank you for watching.